Hey guys, so Nokia came out with a new smartphone called the Nokia G20 a few days back, and I've got the review unit of the smartphone, which is right here. Note that this is the review unit, not the retail box, so you won't be receiving the exact same packaging when you purchase it from a retail store. My name is Tanay Singh Thakur, you're watching Telecom Talk. Let's get started with the unboxing video. So guys, here's the box that I got from Nokia. Let's just go ahead and open it. I guess the opening is from the bottom. And so there's a message from Nokia right here, which we can read later. And this love it, trust it, keep it, I guess Nokia's slogan. Not familiar with it. Okay, just wow, there's so many things. I don't know what all of these are, so for now we'll just skip ahead and we'll look at what these things are later, right? And I don't know what this is. Just trust it, knowing you are in safe hands, right? Must be something such as cover or something, right? And here's the main thing, the star of the show, the Nokia G20. This got available in India starting 7 July and it's already selling on Amazon. So let's go ahead and open the box. Before opening the box, guys, let's just go through what the device has, what the box has inside, right? So there's a smartphone. It has a quad camera setup with a 48 megapixel primary sensor and a 5 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor. So it comes with a 6.5-inch HD plus display, which has an aspect ratio of 20:9. There's a fingerprint sensor at the side of the smartphone and a dedicated Google Assistant button, so you can access the Google Assistant anytime you want, right? So let's go ahead and open the box. So guys, here is the smartphone, the Nokia G20, right? Let's just take it out of the plastic cover. Okay, so we'll talk about the device later. First, let's go what's inside the box. So there is a SIM ejector tool, right? There's the start guide, safety info, basic things, and then we've got the cover. Okay, the standard cover that any smartphone comes with. Further, we should have the charging cable and the charging adapter. This is a 10-watt adapter, guys, so don't get your hopes up. It won't charge your phone too fast. So let's get started with the device, guys. First up, it has a dark blue color. This is not traditional dark blue, right? It feels a little odd to the eye. I mean, odd in the sense it is still beautiful, it is still unique, but it's just not my favorite kind of blue, right? This is a subjective thing, so not necessarily bad. There's a fingerprint sensor right here. This is also the power button, and these are the volume rockers, right? The dedicated Google Assistant button is on the left side of the device, and here's the SIM tray. So as said before, this is a quad camera setup. The primary sensor is a 48 megapixel lens paired with a 5 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor. Let's go ahead and boot up the device. So guys, while the device is booting up, let's go ahead and see what other things that Nokia sent us. Okay, so guys, the first box that we have in hand is a orange box which says trust it, knowing you are in safe hands. I assume it must be something for cleaning the device or cleaning the hands maybe. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so I guess the guess is right. This is a UV light cleanser for smartphones, I believe. So guys, now let's go ahead and open the navy blue box, and it says keep it, start feeling good about your phone. So I'm again not sure what this is, but let's just open it and see. So guys, let's see what the mystery here is. Okay, so this is a pretty, okay, I guess this is a stand for your smartphone, right? Well, this looks cool, man. This really looks cool. Great up, Nokia. Well done. Let's move ahead to the third and the final mystery box, which is the pink box that says love it for the experiences that matter to you. But you know what? I'm not going to open it right now. I'll be doing it at the end of the video, for which you'll have to wait and see the whole review. Coming back to the star of the show, which is the Nokia G20, right? It has booted up. First of all, let me tell you that it is running on Android 11. I don't know the variant that I've got but the device is available up to 6 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage. So guys, I've got the 128 GB variant. You know, the RAM, the maximum RAM that this device comes in is 4 GB and the storage is 64 GB and 128 GB. The price varies accordingly. But you know, looking at the device, you know, initially, you know, I think it feels quite comfortable in my hand. Okay, it's not too bulky, but the form factor is quite large, right? I'm a slim device user, so it feels a little large to me, but this is not necessarily bad, right? Because this is just again a subjective experience that I'm sharing with you guys. And let's see how the Google Assistant dedicated button works on this. And you know, it goes ahead, right? It's quite quick, you know, it's quite quick. I'll just show it to you again. And I just pressed it and it worked. So this is good, this is responsive. The touch feels good. The touch feels actually really good for a budget smartphone. You know, this is a 6.5 inch HD plus display. You know, for being that, this looks really good. So guys, let's go ahead and check out the camera. Okay, I've given the necessary permissions. As you can see, there are different modes. At the bottom, there is the portrait mode, there is the night mode, and then there's a normal photo mode, right? So the normal mode allows me to capture pictures in two different ways. So first is the normal camera mode, right? It is using the primary sensor, the 48 megapixel sensor here, and then there is the ultra wide angle mode. It uses 5 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor for this, right? The pictures come out in HDR, so the pictures won't be too bad, but they won't be flagship quality either, but that's understandable because this is a budget smartphone. You know, the camera review will come at a later stage when I do a whole review of the device. So let's just leave it at that right now. You know, talking about the other things, this front camera right here, it is an 8 megapixel sensor at the top for allowing you to take selfies and video calling. The device won't get fingerprints on it because it's a plastic finish, but it looks a little matte, so you know, again, good. There's a flash at the bottom which I missed out on earlier. The Nokia branding at the center. This is pretty much it. There's not a lot that I can share at the unboxing, but I'll definitely come out with more information about the device and how it works when I do the whole review. So, you know, keeping this aside, the thing that you have been waiting for a long time, the pink box which says love it for the experiences that matter to you. Let's just go ahead and open this. So guys, let's see what's inside the last mystery box. Okay, so I guess these are cookies, right? Okay, thank you Nokia, thank you so much. This makes a lot of sense. This came with love, I guess. So, you know, while we'll be enjoying this cookie, you know, we'll also be doing the final review of the device, and we'll be coming out with it very soon on the website and the YouTube channel of Telecom Talk. So that's it guys. Thank you and have a good day.